Okay, so learning your multiplication facts can be very stressful and very frustrating for parents and students alike. And while learning the 1s through 5s are pretty easy, sometimes the 6, 7, 8s, and 9s can be really difficult. And I know most people know the 9s trick already, but I have another trick I wanted to show you today. And it's a finger trick as well. Let me preface this by saying it's very important that your children are fluent, or our students are fluent in multiplication and division. So this is just to kind of get started, to see things when they're just frustrated to a point. But there are other ways to become fluent. So I don't want you to kids all their lives be using the fingers, but just to get started, use your fingers, and then it will start sticking, hopefully. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, you see, is I've labeled my fingers. I've got 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And I've got same here, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Excuse my handwriting. And I want to show you okay, I'll just give you a fact that I had a hard time with when I was in 4th grade. I could not remember 8 times 8. So let me show you 8 times 8. Here's 8, and here's 8. And those two fingers are going to touch. And when those two fingers touch, I'm going to count all the numbers below those two fingers touching, and I'm going to also add the two fingers touching. So these two are touching, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6. So I'll put a 6 in the tens place. And then above the touching fingers, I have 2 fingers on this hand that are left and 2 fingers on this hand that are left. And 2 times 2 is 4. So 8 times 8 is 64. Okay, that's just one example. I'll show you another one. What if we had 8 times 7, or 7 times 8? Okay, there's 7. That's my finger 7. Here's my finger 8. I'm going to count all the numbers that are touching and below. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. Okay? And then above, I have 3 fingers on this side, 2 fingers on this side, and 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, 7 times 8 is 56. All right? Let's see. What if I want to do 9 times 6? Okay, 9 times 6. 9 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then above, 4 times 1, 4, 54. 9 times 6 is 54. Now, another thing, and I know you teachers and parents already know this, but 9s are always just a really tough one. And so when all else fails, and say they're taking an assessment or they're taking a test, and they just go blank on their 9s. If they don't want to use the finger, and there's that other finger trick with the 9s, which everyone knows. But you can also just tell them just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then count back up. Do it the other way. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now you've got your multiples of 9 right in front of you when you take your test. 9 times 1, 9 times 2, 9 times 3, 9 times 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyway, that's just one strategy. You can use the finger strategy or not use the finger strategy. There's so many strategies out there. And just use what works for each individual child. Have a good day. Bye.